Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful lacy pattern which is titled Dragonfly Lace. Okay, and this particular pattern is most suitable for your summer scarves, throws, etc. And it can be worked for your wearables too, summer wears and whatnot. So this is a beautiful pattern. The stitch pattern repeat is around multiples of 13 plus 7 chains to begin with, or multiples of 13 plus 6 stitches to begin with. So let us begin the video without much delay. For this I used my iron yarn and 5 mm crochet hook. So let's go into the video immediately friends. To begin the pattern, chain 33, I have chain 33. Starting from the second chain from the hook, place a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and 1 SC in each chain all across. Complete that as well as a complete and get back. Completed row 1 SCs. For row 2, chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 is counted as the first double crochet, and in the very first single crochet here, place 3 double crochets. Then skip 4 single crochets, 1 2 3 4, and in the fifth place 4 double crochets, all in the same single crochet. Now chain 5, skip 3 single crochets, and in the fourth place 1 single crochet. Chain 5 again, skip 3 1 2 3 single crochets, in the fourth place 4 double crochets. Now skip 4 single crochets, 1 2 3 4, and in the fifth place 4 double crochets. Chain 5, skip 3 single crochets, and in the fourth place 1 single crochet. Chain 5, skip 3 single crochets, and place 4 double crochets. You'll be left with 5 1 2 3 4 5. So skip 4 1 2 3 4 and place 4 double crochets in the last stitch here. Chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 is considered as 1 double crochet. Place 3 double crochets in the very first double crochet here. Skip the next 6 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in the next place 4 double crochets. chain 3, one single crochet on single crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet on the very first double crochet here, skip the next 6 double crochets, and in the 7th place 4 double crochets, chain 3, single crochet on single crochet, chain 3, and complete the 2 sets of 4 double crochets, one on the first and one set on the last double crochet. I shall complete and get back. Completed row 3. Now for row 4, chain 3 and turn. It's considered as first double crochet. Same way, place 3 double crochets in the first double crochet here, skip the next 6 double crochets, and in the 7th double crochet place 4 double crochets. Now chain 5, single crochet on single crochet, chain 5, 4 double crochet on the first 6, skip the next 6 DCs, 4 double crochet, again chain 5, single crochet, continue this pattern all through the row. We've completed row 4. Now we are going to stagger these stitches, okay, the loops and the DCs. So you can either start with chain 8, which is counted as DC, and chain 5, or turn and make a DC as I do here. Pull up the loop, double crochet, now chain 5, a single crochet between the 2 sets of these DC groups, chain 5, skip the next 3 DCs and place 4 DCs each on each of the next 2 DCs. So one set of DC here and the other set of DC on the first DC of the other 4 DC group. So chain 5, single crochet here, chain 5, 4 DCs on the 4th DC, that is skipping 3 DC, 4th DC, 4 DC on the next DC, again chain 5, single crochet here, chain 5, a DC here. So complete this row. I shall complete and get back. Completed row 5. You can either turn and make a DC or chain 6 and turn. So I'm going to turn and make a DC as usual. It gives a better finish for my products. Now chain 3. Place a single crochet on single crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochets on the very first double crochet here, skip the next DCs and 4 double crochet on the next. So continue this stitch pattern through this row. chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 4 doubles, skip the 6 DCs, 4 doubles, chain 3, single, chain 3 and a double over here. So complete this. I shall also complete and get back. We've completed row 6 now. For row 7 you can either chain 8 and turn, which is counted as DC, and chain 5, or turn and make a double crochet like I do. It gives a neat finish in the edges. Okay, so pull up, five chains, single crochet on single crochet, 5 chains, rest of the pattern is similar. Make a set of 4 DCs on the very first DC and skip the next 6 DCs and make 4 DCs again on the last DC of the 4 DC set. So again, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, 4 DC sets, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, DC on the last stitch over here, either the third chain of the turning chain or the DC. Okay, the last DC. Complete that. I shall complete and get back. We've completed row 7. For row 8, you can either chain 3 and turn, or turn and place 4 double crochets in the very first double crochet here. Now skip all these spaces and in the very first DC of the next 4 DC set, make 4 double crochets. Now chain 5, single crochet between the 2 sets of DCs, chain 5, again repeat sets of 4 DCs over the last of this 4 DCs and the first of the next 4 DCs, again chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, 4 DC sets, complete by finishing with 4 DCs on the very last DC over here. Complete this pattern. I shall complete and get back. We've completed row 8. Row 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 are same as rows 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So repeat rows 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and get back. I shall also repeat those rows and get back. I have completed row 13. 9 to 13 is a repeat of row 3 to 7. That much I have completed. Now you turn, make a single crochet in the very first stitch, chain 4, place 1 SC in each of the next 2 DCs, 1 in each, chain 3, skip the next 4 DCs, 1 SC in each of the last 2 DCs here, chain 4, this is row 14. So 1 single crochet in the first and 1 in the second DC, chain 3, skip the next 4 DCs and place 1 DC, 1 SC each on each of the next 2 DCs, chain 4 and place a single crochet in the last stitch over here. I shall get back with row 15. For the last row, You can turn or chain one and turn as you wish, but I'm going to place my first single crochet in the very first stitch here, and in chain 4 space place 6 single crochets. One single crochet each on each of the 2 single crochets here, and 2 single crochets in chain 3 space, again one on each of the each single crochet, 6 single crochets and a chain 4 space, so one on each of them, each single crochet. Now this is chain 3 space, only make 2 single crochets here, one single crochet each on each of the next 2 single crochets, 6 single crochets and a chain space 4, chain 4 space, and place a single crochet in the last stitch here. Oh, this is too much. Yeah, here we finish. The dragonfly lace. This is a great pattern for your summer throws or scarves, and you can repeat the stitch pattern to the any length you require. The stitch requirements are multiples of 13 plus 7 chains or multiples of 13 plus 6 stitches. So thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day.